How to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update. If your iPhone is stuck on verifying update after attempting to install iOS, then this video is for you to solve this problem. First of all, we will discuss why your iPhone is stuck on verifying update. It might be because of slow internet connection, server issues, or sometimes software glitches as well. To solve it, you have to attempt force restart your device. For that, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen with Apple logo. Once you see that, once your phone is restarted, check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still there, then the very next step you need to follow is check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can hinder the verification process, causing it to hang. So make sure that your internet connection is working fine. Once you check that, simply launch your settings, tap on General. From there you will see software update from the top. Tap on that and hit on the update now. Once you do all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.